What is up, you guys? Welcome back
to the channel.
I'm Chris.
And I'm H.
We are back with a thrift flip. So I know hot girl summer is over.
Or is it?
But we live in California and it is still going to be warm in September. Probably even until the end of October, because I know last Halloween it was kind of warm, right? But we recently went thrifting, and by recently I mean like a month and a half ago. So this video has been in the process for a very long time, but I found a lot of basic items and a lot of denim too for really good deals, and I couldn't pass them up, so I accepted the challenge of flipping them. I know my sewing skills aren't super perfect, but your girl is pretty close. The finished products look pretty darn good, and you'll see it in the video. But anyways, let's get into it. If you guys like what you see, don't forget to
like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Okay, enjoy.
Enjoy.
Okay, so our first flip is this basic white tee that I got from, I don't know where I got it from, but I know that it was under $1. I want to crop it and then add some eyelets to lace it up. First, I took a crop top and used it as a guide for cutting. Afterwards, I took a straight edge and marked where I wanted the slits to be. Then I used liquid stitch to hem the shirt. Next, I used a ruler to place dots where I wanted my eyelets to be. Then I took a seam ripper to make holes where I placed the dots. And here are the eyelets that I'm using. I got them from Joann for about $6 or less with the coupon. And here I am inserting the eyelets in the shirt using the instructions on the back of the package. I realized I had to take my project outside because I did not want to mess up the floors. After about 20 minutes, this is what the shirt looks like, and now we're gonna lace it up. Oh my gosh, it's already turning out super cute. Now I'm gonna add a patch to perfect it. And this is what it looks like. It's so cute. I love how the pineapple tied everything together, and H loves it, I love it. The only thing was the technique was a little time consuming, but it was definitely worth it. Okay, so our next flip is this oversized red tee that I got from the boys section for about 95 cents. I want to crop it, tie it in the front, and then of course add a patch. And don't mind H, she can only stay still for a few seconds. First thing I did was tape where I wanted to crop the shirt, and then I cut the sides up to the tape. Now I'm gonna crop only the back. Next, I flipped the shirt and made a V out of the tape and cut alongside the tape. Next, I'm gonna cut a slit up the V to where I cropped the shirt in the back. And now we're just gonna tie the two pieces together. I felt like her sleeves were a little long and I didn't want to cut them because I wanted a clean look, so I cuffed each side up and then used my handy dandy stitch glue to secure both sides. And lastly, we iron on the patch. I chose a cute rainbow one. Well, she did actually, but I felt like it goes really cute with the shirt. And this is what it looks like. It's so cute. I am so proud of myself. H loves it. We even got a little dance with it. Get it, girl. Oh, hey, it's me. Okay, so this method I got from Haley's Corner. I'll link her video down below. But this is an oversized white tee that I got from the men's section for $1.95, I think. First, I measured where I wanted the crop to be and then added about an inch to make room for the elastic. Next, I took some elastic and wrapped it around my waist to measure out how I want it to fit. You want it fitted, but not too fitted to where you can't breathe. Okay, now on to the cutting. We're gonna crop this bad boy. Next, we're gonna use our stitch glue to hem the shirt. I'm simply using the elastic as a guide. I'm not gluing the elastic to the shirt. We also want to leave a 2-inch gap so we can insert the elastic later. The bottle says to allow 24 hours for the glue to dry, so I just waited until the next day. Here I am getting some inspo. And I really wanted a cactus or a cacti on my shirt. But anyways, I got these for a really good deal on Amazon. I'll link them down below. And now I'm gonna insert the elastic. I attached a safety pin to one end of the elastic so it can guide me through the hem. Once both ends met, I safety pinned them together, tried on the shirt, and then once I liked how it fit, I hand sewed the ends together. Now I'm just taking my stitch glue to close up the hem. And this is what it looks like. It's super cute. I love how it fits, and I love how it looks with high-waisted shorts or jeans. I love this method so much that I did it to all of my other shirts. Okay, so this next one was really simple. I pretty much just cropped it and kept the raw edge. I may have given it a little stretch at the bottom, but that was pretty much it. Oh, and I also wanted to roll the sleeves up, so I secured them with, you guessed it, stitch glue. And this is what it looks like now. Still really simple. I don't know why my sleeves did not stay up. I did only place dots on the sleeves, so oops. Okay, now on to the funner things in life. Jeans. Here we have H wearing some extremely baggy pants. Oops, oh, be right back. Okay, she's fine, y'all. She left it off. Alright, so these were $1.95. I had to get them. They already had adjustable waist, so I didn't have to take anything in. However, I did not know what to do with them. So I got a little creative and just cropped the bottom. Loved how they turned out on her. Super cute. I just threw them in the washer so they can fray a little. And then, yeah, this is what they look like. It almost kind of gives me a like boho 70s vibe, if that makes sense. Super cute, and I can't wait until she wears them out. And here's another pair of jeans that I barely did anything to. I simply just I guess rolled them up, but this is what it looks like. Okay, so here's an actual pair of Levi's, size 12. They were $2, so once again, I had to get them. H and I are arguing about how short I should cut them. Of course, I won. I felt like the legs were a little too big on her, so I took them in a little, but I had to be very careful with the buttons because I did not want to break any more needles. I actually recommend using denim needles and denim thread because it will save your life. And because these did not have an adjustable waist, I had to make my own. What I did was I created 2 slits on the back side of the waist, like so, and then I took a strip of elastic that was shorter than the distance between both slits, and I inserted that in, and then afterwards I sewed the elastic down. And this is what it looks like after everything's attached. And what's a pair of vintage high-waisted Levi's shorts without distressing? So I went ahead and distressed away, but I tried not to give her too many holes because she is only 5 years old. And this is what they look like. They're so cute! She actually wore these prior to filming this part of the video and got so many compliments. Okay, so for this flip, there was nothing wrong with these pants as far as the waist, but they had an elastic hem on the pant legs, and I wasn't too fond of them. I actually wanted more of a cropped / frayed look, and here's a picture that I got inspo from. So pretty much all I did was crop the pants to the length that I desired, and then I just frayed them and threw them in the washer. Pretty simple, right? And this is what they look like. Once again, nothing wrong with the waist, but I'm really satisfied with how the legs turned out. Super cute. Okay, now you probably clicked on this video for this part, right? Okay, so these are some oversized men's jeans that I am going to completely turn around. I tried the jeans on inside out and then pinned to my liking. Be careful not to hurt yourself because I sure did. I also removed my middle belt loop before sewing down my jeans. Once again, I do recommend using a denim needle and thread because it is life-changing. After the jeans fit to my liking, I went ahead and distressed them. Tools I used were a seam ripper, tweezers, probably some scissors, and my fingers. Oh, and the washer. It'll help you with any finishing touches. And this is what they look like. They're so cute. I think they're the perfect length and perfect fit on the waist. Super cute. And I know you've seen them at the beginning of this video. Okay, so here's an actual pair of men's Levi's that I dreaded flipping because I didn't think they were going to turn out cute. First, they were not high-waisted, so I didn't know how I was going to tackle this. But I wanted to turn them into Bermudas, and I actually own a pair of distressed Bermudas by Madewell that cost me about $90. I know, your girl was tripping. So I started off by taking an old pair of shorts and using them as a guide to cut. Next, I tried them on inside out and pinned the legs and the back center to my liking. And ew, I didn't realize there were ink stains until I turned them inside out. I was tripping again. Now I'm just gonna sew every part that I pinned. And now back to the floor for some more distressing. I actually find this very therapeutic, so I don't mind distressing my jeans. This actually ended up taking a little longer just because they're a little longer, I guess. Once I was satisfied with all of my rips and tears and the fit and everything, I threw them in the washer and drum roll. This is what they look like. They're so cute. I know they didn't start off high-waisted, but I made them high-waisted and they're so cute. I am actually so proud of these. These were actually my favorite flip for myself, and I just cannot wait to wear them out. They're super cute. I can't believe I spent $90 on a pair of Madewells when I could have made my own for $4. And last but not least, here are some super vintage women's Levi shorts. H said they look like beach shorts, and I didn't know what to do to them. I mean, the waist fit okay, but could be a little tighter, and they were already short in length. I just know that they were $2 and I had to snag them. I decided I wanted a cuffed hem, so I cut off the original hem. And then I distressed them a little bit before folding and pressing the cuffs up. For extra security, I used stitch glue to keep the cuffs in place. Oh hey, shout out to Cambodia, these were made there. Next, to take in the waist, I used the same technique I used on H's Levi shorts. And this is what they look like. I think they're so much cuter now. They're not as basic, they're much more trendier, and they're super cute. Oh, who mans this is? Okay, excuse me. Oh, he is shutting everything down. Bye, guys.